Hi my dear art fairies, here I have received my kit for handmade bag. I think it will take quite time for me to make a video about it and create it, but I must say the quality of the leather is very nice. I really like these metal elements, they are quite heavy, and as you can see it's letter D, like my Daisy Q Design brand. These bags are designer inspired, shapes and design. I really wanted this shape of bag because I don't have this kind of shape in my collection of the bag yet, and I might add embroidery on the top of it, but I'm not sure. Maybe I will just leave it as it is. So yeah, this is what I will create in the nearest future. As you can see, they provide all the materials needed to create this bag, everything, and even they gave to me this kind of nice accessories for the bags. It's from the leather, so yeah, stay tuned because I'm really looking forward to see this result and how long it will take for me to create this bag.